the Enchanted Forest and it's pouring down rain. Julianne does not want to do a video.
I don't watch this, but you'll see me in the Enchanted Forest video. I'm watching the iPad 5. Oh, I just
So Julianne.
It's pouring down rain and it's closed right now.
Yeah, we're here a little early, huh? So this is our second trip to the Enchanted Forest. The thing that we are looking forward to most is probably being able to go into places like Geppetto's workshop and do a little bit of running around and playing, because that's undercover. So
will we be here the whole day?
I don't know if we're going to make it the whole day. It depends on if there's any breaks in the rain. If there are, that would be really helpful.
I'm doing mascara.
As you can tell, the girls are silly already. Becca is still excited to go to the Enchanted Forest.
I made a stress ball.
Annika made a stress ball. And Annika, how did you make that cool stress ball?
I took a balloon and put sand in it.
Any old sand or pink sand? The kinetic sand, right? And it's a pretty neat feeling, so I can see how it's a stress ball. So we're waiting on the Enchanted Forest.
And if you really listen to it, shh.
Oh, okay. So we're waiting on it to hopefully stop raining soon. Here's the Enchanted Forest entrance. Those are the ticket booths there on the left. Okay, Annie, stop. Thank you. That's there on the left. And we are just trying to get it to stop raining a little bit and actually, in all honesty, wait for it to open. So we will add to this as the day goes on, hopefully, and we will talk to you more later.
Wait!
What?
Be quiet. Quiet.
Yes, it's very stressful.
ASMR with Annika.
Annika is going to try this slide. It's the old lady in the shoe slide. She's never done it before, so she's a little nervous because slides are not her favorite thing. So we're going to capture that moment for you all to see. Here she comes. Good job, baby.
Good job.